Odin, All-Father, God of war, God of fate, God of wisdom. But Odin, not always a king. He was born of Bor and Besla, a child of God destined for greatness. With his brothers Vili and Ve, he rose against the first giant, Ymir. Together they ended Age of Chaos. From Ymir's corpse they crafted the world, his flesh the earth, his blood the seas, his bones the mountains, and his skull become the sky. But Odin craved more than power. He wanted knowledge. To gain it he hung himself from Yggdrasil, the world tree, bleeding alone for 9 nights, sacrificing himself to Yggdrasil. Still, it wasn't enough. He plucked out his own eye and dropped into the well of Mimir to see beyond the veil of time. He gave up sight to gain vision. Now Odin watches all, by eyes of ravens, Huginn and Muninn, thought and memory. With wolves Geri and Freki at his side, he sit on the throne of Asgard. But even God cannot escape fate. Odin knows the end will come, Ragnarök. He still prepares. He leads. He endures. Because Odin is not just a god. He is the wisdom of sacrifice, the strength of vision, the heart of destiny. This is the rise of Odin.